Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and guess what? It's done! Look at this! 2 projects at the same time. The Wildwood Boardwalk Expansion Project and the Wildwood Boardwalk Reconstruction Project. Both of them have now been completed with some stuff kind of still left over, and we'll go over that in a second. I figured I'll give you a quick little tour since today is technically the first official day it's open, and the boardwalk is actually pretty packed for a Friday. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It is because of them that we can do videos like this on a random Friday. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Before we get started, I have to add, it's the first day I'm wearing shorts. So you'll see me in shorts today, right? Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Hey, did you know that you could sponsor our videos? In the first 15 to 20 seconds after our bouncer, your business could be here. If you want more information, shoot us an email at joey@wildwoodvideoarchive.com. And hey, you're not only advertising your business, but you're also helping local journalism. We're gonna start our tour at Spicer Avenue and make our way down. Now, realistically speaking, I will tell you that for the most part for you, it's gonna look exactly the same as it did on the other sections that had been redone. The first really big difference is that on the other side of Adventure Pier, you'll see that yes, it is wider. That is part of the Wildwood Boardwalk Widening Project, or the Wildwood Boardwalk Expansion Project, in which we saw 14 feet added onto the boardwalk. And I know what you're saying, wait a minute, they made the boardwalk wider? Yes. For those who don't know, north of Montgomery Avenue, that's Mariner's Pier, it's a different size than if you went south. It's actually a difference of about 14 feet. And on a busy summer night, you may notice that things get a little cramped, especially on a Friday night. Fireworks, tram cars are trying to go by and people are standing here. As you can tell, this right here, where the end is, that is actually the same size in which it is heading north. It's just kind of heading south of Montgomery Avenue. It's not as wide. It has a lot of different factors in why that is, but long story short, they decided to widen the section between Adventure Pier and the Convention Center, Montgomery. That way that people can stand there, tram car can go by, and we'll see how that works for this summer. The game plan, if everything goes very well, is that in the future, potentially, we're gonna get that right here. But what are we waiting for? Let's start right here at Spicer. We can actually see where the boardwalk goes from the older, newer one to the newer one, if that makes any sense. And here we go. It is the same exact wood, and don't ask me to pronounce it. I think it's like Komaru or Kamaru, something like that. This section here is the same size as it was before. It didn't get any wider, as you know. Got all the concrete pads have been removed, just like the other sections. It's exactly the same project. At this very moment, though, you'll notice that there are no new lights yet. We're still waiting for those to be installed. And that's going actually all the way down the boardwalk. You can actually see temporary lights up here, you know, like the police lights you could see. But yeah, this is the same exact boards, same direction, heading all the way down. And yes, today, it actually being Good Friday, shops are open. It's actually a pretty day for it out here. Most schools, I actually believe, are closed for the day. Maurice Pierce has a crane up here as they're getting the slingshot open and ready to go. I can smell Annie Ann's. I don't know if you can smell it through the phone, but you can smell it very much. Adventure Pier will be open in about a month and some change, at least from today. I know Curly Fries is open down the other side of the boardwalk. But yeah, you'll notice there really isn't much to show you, at least on this section here. Just the wood looks really nice, right? Also can't believe how busy it is on a Friday down here. It's actually really nice. And I can smell Dunkin' Donuts. Ooh, coffee smells good. But yeah, on our left is Adventure Pier. And I apologize, it's a little windy out here, so if you hear a little wind in the mic, I apologize. But on the left-hand side, we're coming up to where the boardwalk actually gets wider. Oh my God, it really does feel like a summer day. It's like, look, you would think today it's like a end of May, early June kind of day. People in sweaters, though I'm in shorts. But yeah, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's this busy today. You can see the crane that's lifting things up to the spring shot. And on the left-hand side, we're going to be seeing our first pavilion. And man, is the wind picking up. Here's the first pavilion. A lot of things to point out here. First is this thing is, well, there's lights under here, which is awesome. I believe they're going to put benches down here, but I don't know that just yet. On the left-hand side, you're going to see two different things to look at. Steps going up and a ramp going behind. This looks like this is going to, I don't know if this is a ramp onto the beach or just to the monster trucks. But you can see right here, this is where the boardwalk originally ended. Right here. So we just gained all of this space now. And we got our benches back. I told you before, lights aren't here just yet, so we got temporary lights here. They're building a new ramp down to the beach. And this is what things look like. It looks really awesome. Like I said before, for a Friday, it's actually getting pretty busy up here on the boardwalk. And look at that. Oh, wow. They are right now taking the plastic off of the Mac sign here on the Wildwoods. Look at that. That's so neat. You know, that means they're getting ready to open up. Getting ready to open up. I don't think you guys realize how much space there is now here. It's actually really, really nice. I mean, look at it. It's so much wider, it's bigger. Just take a look for yourself. This is where the boardwalk originally ended. Now I'll back up for you. It looks so nice and so large. I really do hope they do this for the other half of the boardwalk. And we'll continue our walk down to the other pavilion right in front of the convention center. It's right near the convention center. Here is the other pavilion. There's some benches under here already. Okay. But yeah, these ones are almost done themselves. You can see it looking north. Pavilion 1, Pavilion 2 all the way down there. And right here, there's no wind. It feels really warm out. But this is where the expansion ends. So it doesn't go the entire length, but still, it's a decent amount. I very much like this. Imagine you come over here and watch the fireworks. This might be one of the best spots to watch them, because legitimately you could just watch them shoot off right here. That's not bad at all. Keep in mind that before, this is where the boardwalk ended. So I really very much like this. Oh, and that's pretty neat. Maintenance guy going up to go inspect. Oh, that's pretty neat. You don't see that every day. Pre-season stuff. This is the part of the video where I say it's time to put the seagull in the sky to give you a bird's point of view of what things look like. But I do want to give you a warning. It is very windy, so we'll give it a try and we'll see what happens. So let me know what you guys think about all of this in the comment section below. To be honest with you, this looks amazing. I personally like it very, very much. And I think coming this summer, you guys are going to like it as well, because realistically speaking, this is done for you guys to enjoy the boardwalk more, and on a busy, busy night when everything's kind of packed in the boardwalk, you now have more space to kind of relax. You can watch the fireworks. Maybe you come over here and watch the sunrise, because you get a great view of that as well. Well, let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, I'll see you on the beach, which, guys, let me tell you, it's gonna be hot tomorrow. Supposedly it's supposed to be like 70-something odd degrees with a little bit of a wind, like today, about 15 miles per hour, but I can almost guarantee you, since it is Easter weekend, people are going to be on that beach. And you might see me as well. Anyway, I'm Joey. I'll see you later. Bye.